si Sir Mau. Baka pagalitan ako ni ano.
Once again, good afternoon mall shoppers and welcome to SM City, Cabanatuan. And today is Friday, 24th day of October 2025, which we celebrate SM City, Cabanatuan Christmas launch. We would like to request everyone to please take your seats. The program will start in a few minutes. It's going to be a monster week Halloween here at SM City, Cabanatuan. Come in your best spooky look and join the costume contest and treat or treat parade happening on October 31, Friday, 3 p.m. at Level 4, Roof Park. Don't miss the frightful fun. Visit SM City Cabanatuan's official Facebook page for more info. Thank you. Once again, good afternoon, mall shoppers. Let's hit the court. Picklers, the pickleball courts here at SM City Cabanatuan are now officially open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily at Level 2, Garden Park. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, all are welcome to serve, smash, and rally with fellow picklers. Register for free via SM Malls Online. Visit SMC Cabanatuan's official Facebook page for more info. Thank you. Once again, we would like to request everyone to please take your seats. The program will start in a few minutes. Thank you.
supermodels. It will always be super, always be super. SM supermodels, SM supermodels. It's more fun for the family, for you, much more of the good things, more good times for one and all. SM supermodels, SM supermodels. It will always be super, always be super. And SM supermodels, we've got it all for you.
Once again, good evening, mall shoppers. How about a big, big round of applause? Come on. We truly are cowboys to the happiest time of the year. A lovely evening to everyone. Celebrate the warmth of the holidays and bring joyful moments with your loved ones here at SM's Christmas festivities. To welcome us all, may we call on the mall manager of SM Mall City, Cabanatuan. We have Mr. Marvin Mauro El Macoto.
Hello. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Very warm greetings from SM City Cabanatuan. Siyempre, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our community partners and friendly forces ngayong gabi po. Siyempre, pinangungunahan po ng ating Honorable Mayor Micah Elizabeth Vergara, from Provincial Tourism Office, Ms. John Mara Estefan San Pedro, our Provincial Tourism Officer. From DTI, headed by Dr. De Belisa T. Hidalgo. Kasama po si Ma'am Cheryl, Ma'am Janica, and Ma'am Sherry. Magandang gabi po. Kasama rin po natin from City Tourism Office, on behalf of Attorney Sherilyn Madrid Bautista, Ms. Roel Aniambot, with Mr. Edwin Rojas and Mr. Enrico Galvez. Kasama rin po natin from PNP, Police Lieutenant Colonel Chief of Police Sir Renato C. Morales. At kasama ang ating mga police corporals, Sir Renz Gloria, Sir Radsmir Tomas, Ma'am Diane Rivera, and Ma'am Jasmine Santos, with Sir Edgar Lee Ibarra, our patrolman. From our PFP, kasama po natin Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual, our City Fire Marshal. Kasama po si FO2 Maureen Asnar and FO1 Jenny Rose Galliano. Siyempre, kasama din po natin CDRRMO from Cabanatuan City, Mr. Israel E. Adjarani, with Sir John Dave De Jesus, Mr. Christopher Matias. Magandang gabi po. Siyempre, kasama din po natin our media partners and friends. Magandang gabi po. To our dearest affiliates, mall partners and tenants, of course, my beloved colleagues from SM City Cabanatuan and Mega Center Cabanatuan, management team, to our valued shoppers and mall goers, good evening po. Alright, we would like to welcome everyone to the Christmas festivities at SM. A celebration of family togetherness, meaningful connections, and the joy we shared with our friends and loved ones this holiday season. This year, aside from annual tree lighting ceremony, we're bringing you more holiday activities for families and friends to enjoy, creating lasting memories together. Share the gift of friendship and joy this holiday season with SM Besties of Joy, a simple act of giving that brings comfort, kindness, and connection. Join the holiday fun and collect delightful prizes through this year's SM Christmas Village digital game. Make your holiday extra special with grand magical parade. So ang dami talagang niready natin, no? Para sa ating mga mall goers. Feel the sparkle of the season with the holiday snowflakes surprises. And let your heart be lifted by the harmonies of World Choral Day this December. Catch the SM Holly Squad, mga nakikita po natin sa gilid, and make the most of the happiest holiday weekends packed with carols, fun activities, and festive moments for the whole family and friends. So through the Christmas festivities at SM, we hope to strengthen the ties that bind us to our loved ones, like the ribbons wrapped in our holiday decors. It is a symbol of family, connection, and shared joy. May this season bring us even closer as we celebrate love, laughter, and togetherness here at SM City Cabanatuan. Thank you, and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Thank you so much, and thank you, our mall manager of SM City Cabanatuan, Mr. Marvin Mauro L. Magtoto VI. And now, let's hear from some of our distinguished guests. Let's put our hands together for the City Mayor of Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Let's give a hand for Mayor Micah Vergara.
Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Actually, akala ko papalakpak lang ako ngayong gabi na ito. So, nagulat ako, part pala ako ng program. But, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng nandito. Kaya Sir Mount, thank you for inviting me. Parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakarating. But last year, nasa Mega Center ako. Isa sa mga Pilipino, napaka-importante ng Christmas. Sa sobrang importante, ang aga nagsisimula. Sa Burr months pa lang, nagpre-prepare na ng mga decoration, ng mga ganito. Kaya, sabi nga ni Sir Mau, it's all about family and syempre, friendship rin. Dito sa SM City, isa sa pinaka pinupuntahang mall dito sa buong Nueva Ecija. Makikita mo, hindi lang mga tiga-Cabanatuan, magpupunta ka, iba-ibang tao yung makikita mo. And napakaganda nun because of your relationship sa mga tao. You don't just buy mga kailangan mo, but you build something. You dine here, kumakain ka dito, and you talk, you build relationships. And at the end of the day, yun yung pinaka-importante. So, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat, kahit 2 months pa. Unahin na, actually dapat Halloween pala muna. Happy Halloween na rin. Pero Merry Christmas, napakaganda ng decoration ng SM ngayon. Sabi ko, gagayahin ko para sa Plaza Lucero. Pero recycled. Recycled yung gagamitin. So, thank you po at mag-ingat kayo ngayong gabi pa uwi. At syempre, mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi. Merry Christmas. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mayor. Once again, let's give a hand for our Mayor, Mayor Micah Vergara. And now, we are very honored to have the presence and to give us a message, ladies and gentlemen, the Provincial Tourism Officer from Provincial Tourism Nueva Ecija. We have Miss Jan Malas Stefan San Pedro.
Mabuhay! Ayan. So ito po ang pagbati natin sa Department of Tourism. Mabuhay po sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko po ang ating Cabanatuan City Mayor, Honorable Micah Vergara. Ang ating mall manager, ang pinakamasipag na mall manager of SM City Cabanatuan, Mr. Marvin Mauro L. Magtoto. Binabati rin po natin ang ating Chief of Police, Colonel Renato Morales. Magandang gabi po, sir, and the representatives from the Philippine National Police. Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual, and representatives from the Bureau of Fire Protection. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Our partners from the Department of Trade and Industry, Nueva Ecija, Dr. Debbie, magandang gabi, ayan. And our colleagues from Cabanatuan City Tourism Office led by Attorney Sherilyn Madrid Bautista, magandang gabi po. Binabati rin po natin si Mr. Israel Adjarani and representatives of City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office. Media partners and friends, good evening po. On behalf of the provincial government of Nueva Ecija, I wish to extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations to SM City Cabanatuan on the occasion of your 10th Christmas launch. This celebration marks not only the beginning of the joyous Christmas season, but also a decade of bringing families, friends, and communities together through meaningful holiday traditions. So nabanggit ko nga kay Sir Mau kanina na yung anak ko po ay suki ng Christmas lighting ng SM. Nagsimula po kami noong 2020, nung namigay po kayo ng bears na nakamask. Then, noong 2021, playground park po yung display dito. Tapos, 2022, elves, naka-stroller na yung anak ko po noon. And 2023, yung giant snowman, yung naalala po namin. 2024, yung 15 feet giant na Santa natin. And 2025, doon naman po ilang Christmas trees ang naka-display po natin with the ano yung po yung tawag natin sa kanila? Mga Holly Squad. Yan, ayan. So with this year's theme, Winter Safari Wonderland, you continue to create a space where imagination meets festivity. A true reflection of SM's commitment to spreading joy and building connections that enrich the lives of Novo Ecijanos. So as we welcome the Christmas season, may we be reminded of the values that unite us, such as love, generosity, sharing, kindness, and hope. Let this season inspire us to share and support our local businesses and celebrate the beauty of togetherness that makes Nueva Ecija truly the heart of Central Luzon. The Provincial Tourism Office din po commends SM City Cabanatuan for your continued partnership with us. Year after year po, nakakasama po natin ang SM City sa mga proyekto po ng Provincial Tourism Office. Maraming salamat po. Indeed, this collaboration exemplifies our shared vision of never-ending spirit of hospitality and joy that defines our province. So once again po, on behalf of the Provincial Government of Nueva Ecija, on behalf of Governor Aurelio Oyman Sumali and Vice Governor Hill Raymond Omadi, congratulations SM City Cabanatuan for this milestone celebration. May this year's Christmas be brighter, more meaningful, and filled with blessings for everyone. Maraming salamat po at maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much once again. Let's give a hand for Ms. John Mara Stefan San Pedro. And of course, to share her special message to us, the Trade Industry Development Specialist from DTI. Let's give a hand for Dr. Neveriza T. Hidalgo.
Thank you so much and good evening po sa ating lahat and advance Merry Christmas of course. Good evening po to all our guests and the dignitaries and all the names mentioned by our Provincial Tourism Officer, Ma'am Mara. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. To all our mall goers, magandang gabi po. On behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry, we would like to congratulate SM City Cabanatuan, Sir Mau and team for the 10th Christmas launch. And alam naman po natin during this season, syempre po, it brings, of course, happiness and God's blessing. But it also beyond that is yung naitutulong po ng economy, sa ating ekonomiya ng Christmas season. Because of course, during this season po, alam naman natin nabuboost yung ating consumer spending, yung ating buying power, di po ba? Maraming pera, of course, na umiikot sa ating ekonomiya, and it supports our micro, small, and medium enterprises, and it creates more livelihood po para sa ating mga kababayan. Lalo na po sa mga negosyanteng patuloy po na nagsusumikap para sa kanilang mga pamilya. For SM po and DTI, and of course for all our partners in enterprise development, this is a celebration of entrepreneurship and compassion. Na sa bawat produkto po na ating binibili, it symbolizes yung pangarap, yung hope, and of course yung pag-unlad po ng bawat isa. So we thank SMCT for being a strong partner in promoting local businesses for Nova Ecejanos. And syempre po, naka-house po dito ang aming DTI Negosyo Center sa 3rd floor sa Government Center. So please do visit our office. And this is a festive space to celebrate the season of giving and togetherness. So nawa po ito ay magsilbing paalala na tunay na diwa ng Pasko ay ang pagtutulungan at pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa. Habang sabay-sabay nating pinauunlad ang ating lokal na ekonomiya. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations once again. And Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat.
Once again, a round of applause for Dr. Deverisa T. Hidalgo, the Trade Industry Development Specialist of BTI. This is the part that we've all been waiting for. May we call on our representative from SM Supermalls as well as our distinguished guest to join us here in front for the ceremonial toast and lighting of SMCT Cabanatuan's Christmas centerpiece this year. I'm inviting